Free washi tape! Yay! Hi! So today I have an order from Flourishing Faith. I ordered some planners from them, and they're a local company, or a small business, and I wanted to unbox it and check out the page quality and stuff, and hopefully this is going to be what I'm using for 2021. I know I've been gone for a while. Things happened. I'm hoping to make a update video, so we'll see if I do that. Might come up before this or after this. I'll link it if it is up. What is this? I want to keep the sticker. I can keep the sticker. Oh, wow. Oh, washi tape. Oh my. I'm so excited. Look at that. And a beautiful pen. And a beautiful pencil. Free washi tape. Yay. That was packaging. So I chose the Paxi shipping option, and it took 3 days to get to my pet. Picked it up today, 4 days later. So it came in this box, quite sturdy. Obviously in the Paxi packet that Paxi uses. Oh, this is so beautifully wrapped. I'm gonna take the box out of the way. This is so pretty. I saw her website, just searching for planners South Africa and stuff like that, because I'm obsessed. And apparently the planning community in South Africa is just like flourished since I last interacted with it. So there's a bunch of Facebook groups and people making planner subscription boxes. I've been making a wish list and slowly but surely going through it. I messaged her on WhatsApp before I ordered, just to make sure that there's not a date I need to order before, in case like cutoff date or something, because I'm going away. Oh, this looks so pretty. That's so beautiful. She was so nice. There was some issues with her site with Black Friday and all that, but she let me know and kept on helping me if I had any issues at all, and she was just really, really nice. I was so excited for this. So I ordered the weekly planner. It was 130 Rand. It's supposed to be undated. All of these covers are supposed to be like velvety, smooth, matte finish. This one's supposed to have an extra clear plastic cover. This one has 200 sheets. So let's just look at the weekly planner first, because that's the one I'm most excited about. But for 130 Rand for a spiral bound, which I found spiral bound has been working really well for me. An amazing price. Oh, that does feel nice. I like that. Okay. Nice spiral binding. That's clear. So there's her details. I'll put it in the description as well. I'm not center, am I? So there's the details. You can focus. Anyway. So cute. Okay. So let's see. Some like planning vision stuff. Goals for the year. It's all beautifully printed and this paper feels good. It doesn't feel like the thickest paper on earth, but it still feels good. Oh, you can put like almost a future log type thing here. That's cool. Okay, monthly goals and planning section. Okay, so this is the first month. Got space for 3 goals. Notes and ideas, to do, important dates, inspiration and motivation. And then a notes page. And the undated monthly. It's pretty, and I like that there's the extra row for when the month is like longer, because it's not taking up space that would be used by the other boxes here, because there's like note space here, but I don't have to have any split boxes or awkward having the next month on the previous month. This is nice. I love this font. It's so pretty. Okay, so these are all the months together. I understand that for an undated planner because you don't know how many weeks are going to be in the month and then you don't know which month to put the week in. So that actually works really well. I'll sit down and count them, and if I can, put it up on screen. And then this is the weekly planning section. This paper feels smooth, but it doesn't feel so smooth that things would smudge or anything. I like this paper. So this is going to be my pre-planning planner thing. I just need to make lists in this, and this layout I thought would be perfect for that. So at the end of the weeks, there's a reflection of the past 12 months. That's cool. In the beginning of the year and at the end of the year. That's really nice. And then there's notes. Another 12 boxes that I'm probably going to use for future planning or something like that. And then this note section. I like these quote pages because they're not... I feel like sometimes they can be really cheesy or only cater to certain people. And I feel like these are nice and minimal, but still decorative, and I'm loving this. So there's a bunch of notes, papers, quite a bit actually. I'll put up a list of how many of what pages there is afterwards in editing, and then yeah, the back cover with the plastic that kind of sticks to it, so it's like one cover. This quill feels nice, like it's kind of flexible, so when you put your hand on it, you're not just gonna hurt yourself. And it's pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's go to the next thing. Also got a weekly journal, because I have been almost memory keeping in like a almost bullet journal style, and this weekly journal supposed to be based on that bullet journal style, and I've become tired of having to draw out every single spread every week, so I wanted to try this out. This was 69 Rand, which for a weekly journal this big is like nothing. This feels good. This velvety smooth matte laminate finish, so pretty. This is perfect bound. The cover is 350 GSM, and this has 128 pages. I'm probably gonna have to break the binding at one point, so this will probably lay flat more. We'll see. But that's not that big a deal in a memory journal. This journal belongs to, and then dot grid paper, and then goals and plans for the best year. This is pretty. Like a modern hexagon design. It's pretty. And then straight into the weeklies. I think this will lay quite beautifully flat, just after it's been used more than once. You've got all the days of the week, even Saturday and Sunday have their own spaces. I know the weekly planner didn't, but that's because I don't have that many to-dos on the weekend, but I tend to have lots of things to memory keep on the weekend, so that's nice. And then it's got a dot grid journal section here. Let me measure the spacing. It looks to be about 4 millimeters. So it's a bit smaller than, I almost want to say the standard, but that means you can fit more in. So this has all those weeklies. I think that's just what it is till the end. Oh no, there's a few dot grid pages in the back, which is really nice. So whimsical design, as far as I've seen, is their old branding. Now they're Flourishing Faith. On the website, they say they're a Christian blog and lifestyle brand. They also have lined notebooks and scripture journals and all that stuff. I'll link them down below. Let me go to the dot grid notebook I also ordered. This dot grid notebook was 39 Rand. Can you believe it? I don't think you can get a dot grid notebook in South Africa for that price anywhere else. When I saw it, I was like, I know I'm not using them as much right now, but it's so affordable, I can't say no. So they're staple bound, which is absolutely perfect for a small notebook. That same velvety smooth matte laminate finish, 350 GSM cover, and it's got 64 pages. I also love how all of these have matching covers, but they're all different. It's a plain dot grid notebook. I love it. There's no like extra pages in the front nobody's ever going to use or anything like that. Oh, that's amazing. I love it. I'll do a pen test. I think all the paper is the same, so I'll probably do it in the dot grid book. But this is amazing. I love it. Look how pretty that is. These are the things I ordered. I paid 238 Rand, including the 50 Rand Paxi. And she added 2 washi tapes, a pen, and a pencil. Just to say thank you. That is amazing. I am super impressed and so happy. I'll go off now and go do that pen test, and I'll be right back. I did the pen tests. Unfortunately, touched this with some ink on my hand there. I am so happy. It was like a bit of ghosting, but not too bad. If you want like an art bullet journal or something, I would go for something that's made for that. This is just a notebook and it's perfect for my uses. So all that really bled through was my zebra brush pen and my Staedtler non-permanent. That bleeds through everything. It's like a Sharpie. Some of the highlighters. And yeah, so the G2 seems fine. The Jelly Roll seems fine. The pen is so nice to write with. The one that she gave me. That was so nice. I swatched out the washi there. I've always wanted one of these, but they're always so expensive, and now I got them for free. I'm super impressed. She also, when I ordered, there was an option to sign up for an account, and she gave me free printables. So I actually ran over to Postnet because we had to print something else. I wouldn't recommend printing your printables at Postnet. The graphic designer in me does not like their quality. So there was like a weekly template. I actually used it this week because I wanted to use it and it works really nicely. I love the font she uses. It's so pretty. So there was a daily template. I'll show you an empty one. I already wrote the day of the week there, unfortunately, and the date. And cleaning my tattoo, which I'll talk about in another video. This is really nice. There's, don't know if you can even see that, but in very light gray, 00:00, so you can write in your times. I've been writing down everything that I've needed to study recently because it was a very heavy study week. Wrote my exam today, so this is like a nice reward. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, top priorities and goals, and a notes section, and still in love with this font. So she also does scripture journals, and I think this is almost like what the actual scripture journals look like, but it's really pretty, and I do actually want to try it out. These little just leaves are really pretty. Really so pretty. Everything's so pretty. There was also a line notes page, a grid notes page, a dot notes page, and a checklist page. And now I want all of these notes books with each of those. There is one like this that comes in lined that I didn't get and kind of wish I had. I'll link the website. Really, really good service. Really great price. Would recommend. I'll give updates and all that once I've used these a bit. All the freebies. So this was Flourishing Faith. Can't wait for more products to come out. I hope you enjoyed this. It's been a while since I've done this. I'll be trying to do this a bit more. Anyway, like, subscribe, all those things. I'll be doing a 2021 planner lineup, which will obviously include these. And I'll see you next time.